Hey guys, today we're fixing the Eufy 30C.
30C, yeah, that's right. So we have a Eufy here that was donated by a neighbor, and she said the wheel.
What, of our neighbors?
Yeah, the wheel isn't working on this one either. So it's kind of the same problem as the iRobot, isn't it?
Yep.
So I wonder if this one is not attached to the spring either. So Wyatt is going to try to fix this one also. Okay. Have you taken apart a Eufy before?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
When our Eufy was not working. So this is what happened to our other Eufy. It was not even working that we had to change the motor.
Oh, that's right. That was a while ago. I'm surprised you remember.
That was when I was 5 or 4.
Yeah, so we actually had to call Eufy and we had to get them to ship us another motor. That was a long time ago.
And it works.
Yeah, now our Eufy works.
Our other Eufy works.
Yeah.
So there's 2 of these brands of uses with 2 brushes. We have a Eufy.
We have the Eufy. We have the G30. Right?
What? That's the same problem as the iRobot.
Is it the spring?
Yes.
Oh. And that one's not broken. Okay, so you got the spring connected?
Yep.
Oh, oops.
Sorry.
Okay, were you able to fix it?
Yep, it was the spring that was connected like the iRobot.
All right, can I see? Can we see it? Does it come out?
Well, I already put it in.
Okay.
Sorry, guys.
Okay, but it works now. It bounces.
Yep.
This one works. Wow. Well,
This was, I think, the righty.
that was a pretty easy fix, wasn't it?
I saw a video about someone having the same one.
The same
Same one of
Eufy?
these Eufys.
Wait, I'm pretty impressed that you have already fixed 2 robot vacuums
In a day.
in a day.
Only one is already 451.
Pretty successful day.
And I'm gonna put the brushes in.
Let me see if it works, okay?
Yep. Why is so many people not fixing? How does these springs just unconnect?
I don't know.
This is super weird. Well, that's super weird.
I think people don't realize how easy it is to fix them, but now you're teaching everybody how to do it, so.
Yep.
All right, let's see if it works. You fixed it!
Let's go, Eufy!
Good job! Sawyer's playing with his own robot. Wyatt, good job, buddy!
Let's go!
So proud of you, dude.
Let's go!
Good job.